Hello friends and welcome to Vlogmas Day 9. Today is Monday, December 9th, and I just finished editing. Now it's uploading my Vlogmas Day 8 video, so if you haven't seen that yet, check out the Vlogmas playlist down below. And I hope you guys can hear my cat eating. I just fed them, but I'm going to go get ready, go shower, get my hair done, all that stuff, and then get straight to work. And that's going to be my morning. I ate breakfast already. I've been up pretty early. I wanted to be up earlier, but it happens. So I'm going to go get ready. It feels like a very Monday, if you know what I mean. But the birds are singing outside, the window's open, it sounds nice. It's a little bit chilly, but it should warm up nicely today. So great sunny day ahead, and hopefully we'll do something fun after work today for Vlogmas. Well friends, it's been one of those days, it's been one of those nights. I actually ended up working pretty late, and then I developed a headache. I didn't feel well. I put on some Disney Plus, we put on some YouTube videos, I laid there for a while, tried to take a nap. I'm feeling better now, but I do want to give you guys something in today's vlog. So I thought I'd show you the haul that I had. So this is the tape that I bought from Tape Jungle, my ATG tape. Now, if you guys don't like, it's not the best quality tape out there. This was $40 for 24 rolls, so that's $1 something per roll, $1.60 something per roll, I think. And that's with free shipping and with a discount. So that was one of their Cyber Monday deals. 24 rolls for $40-ish that I think included tax. I actually had no idea, but they're actually based in Miami, so that's kind of close. But I also had my Pinkfresh studio order come in. Now, I really went back and forth if I should order more stuff. I mean, these were insane deals. I don't think they have them anymore up on their website, but definitely check them out if they do. I do post about their sales quite often, and I am affiliate there. So if you do want to shop there, I recommend using my links because I will get a small portion of the profits at no additional cost to you. So it helps me out, helps my channel out, helps everything out. So I did buy quite a few things there, and they had severely deep discounts. This was the thing I paid the most for, and it was $6. I think it was originally $24, and it was this stamp set. Now this is a large stamp set. I don't know if you guys do a lot of stamping or make a lot of cards, but this is a very large stamp set. And now since I live in Florida, I thought it'd be really nice to have a Flamingo Stamp Set, and it actually is like the whole size of a typical size card. So it's actually 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, but with so many great phrases for sayings. Like wishing you sunny days and laughter, life is fun with you, thank you for making me feel special. It has a script thanks, it has a script special, you make me love life, you make every day special, thanks for flamingling with me. So there is a flamingo pun on there. It's a gorgeous stamp set, and if you guys have not tried Pinkfresh Studio stamps yet, oh my goodness, they are great, and you should definitely check them out. And this was designed by Smitha Caddy, here on the back. Really beautiful, and an example on the back here. There's lots of examples on the website. So again, this was the thing I paid the most for by far, and this was $6. And this was a splurge. I didn't think about getting it, but I really love that stamp set, and I thought it'd make for easy cards. Set that aside. Now, I did try to buy things that were from non-Christmas collections. They did have Christmas stuff on there. I do not need Christmas stuff. I have tons of Christmas stuff. So I went for the more everyday options. Looks like we'll start with ephemera. This is the Everyday Musings ephemera pack, 56 pieces, and the Everyday Musings ephemera pack with gold foil accents was only $1.38. So I'm not going to take them out and flip through them, but this is a 2018 collection. And here is everything that was in it. I remember when everyone got this in like their kits, because this I think it says one of a kind. Yeah, this one of a kind. I just remember these bits being so popular. These flower bits. Really pretty and easy to use any time of year. Love it so much. So we got that, again, $1.38. Then we had the Joyful Day ephemera pack, which has 49 pieces, so a little bit less. But some of these are bigger. And this was also $1.38. So here you can see on the back, we got tags, we've got little like notes, journaling spots, which I really love. You guys know that I love them. And this is more of a pastel color scheme, which again, more my style. These ones are a bit brighter with some like navy tones, and I've been into navy, so that's really good. So those were 2 ephemera packs that I bought. I got this sticker set, so it says Let Your Heart Decide cardstock stickers, 465 pieces. I do have the Let Your Heart Decide, actually it might be right here. So I guess I should say I did have the Let Your Heart Decide other stickers. Now these were from a grab box, but I had the layered stickers and I had the leatherette stickers. So these have been somewhat used, but that's okay. And this was, let's see, Let Your Heart Decide gold foil cardstock sticker, $1.13. And there's 3 sheets in here, so you can kind of see that. Interestingly enough, it actually has a second barcode sticker on it that says Paper Source, Pinkfresh Planner C. Weird. So maybe this was supposed to be given to Paper Source to sell, and then something happened. But here is what each of the sheets looks like. I actually really love that they took the extra cardstock off. So as you can see on the front here, this isn't, this is just the backing paper next to the stickers. Really, really cool, and I like that it comes with 2 alphabets, labels, these little pieces here, and then some phrase stickers for $1.13. Now you guys know why I bought it. And I love their grab boxes. I didn't get one last time because I was fearful of duplicates because they were really close together from the last one I bought. So I'm glad that I opted out so I could get this stuff instead. This was more pick and choose rather than just get a grab box, which would have been around a little more than I paid because shipping was $9.50. That's crazy to me, but you'll see why it was so expensive. So I did get 2 6x6 paper pads. I got the Everyday Musings and the Joyful Day. Now again, I'm not going to flip through these. I just want to get you guys something in this vlog. And here they are. So here is Everyday Musings. Again, we have that navy, we have some greens, more like mature colors. And then here's a little bit more pastels, but you do have some deep tones in there as well. And this is the Joyful Day, which reminds me a lot of Maggie Holmes. Just going to say that right now. And you'll see that in a little bit more of what I got. And each of these were $1.88. And pretty much my threshold for 6x6 paper pads is $3 and under is what I'll pay, unless it's like something I love. Did I need 6x6 paper pads? No. Do I love these ones? Yes. I love Pinkfresh Studio. They're amazing quality. Couldn't recommend enough. I should be seeing if any of these other things have Paper Source stickers. I just find that so interesting. Okay, moving on. I got the Indigo Hills 2 Puffy Alphabet Sticker Set. Now these are a yellow gold and they are foiled. Can you guys see the foil? Let's see, these were Indigo Hills. The only thing I got from Indigo Hills, $1.50. Now they did have more Indigo Hills on there, but I opted not to get it because 1, shipping was so expensive for everything anyway, and 2, I don't think it's my real color palette. The purples and yellows are very nice and I do use them, but the like artistic vibes of that collection just weren't my style, so I opted not to get it. Then I got the Everyday Musings chipboard frames. So there's 24 frames in here, and again they match those fun colors. And the chipboard frames were $1. So if you guys know me, I'm okay with frames. I've used quite a few now in some of my challenges and some of my kits. Man, I need to brush my hair. Can you tell I've been laying on the couch? I'm going to go to bed after this. But really, really pretty. And they're sort of concentric too, so like you could stack multiple ones together to really make it work for a smaller photo or just to give a different effect. I think I'll be making some shakers with these because that's always super fun. But I really love how simple and easygoing these are. Really could use them for anything, so that's great. Also from the Everyday Musings collection, there are 23 pieces in this Puffy Accent set. And let's see, this is Puffy Accent, $1.25. Definitely not worth $1.25. But I do remember people using these on their layouts, and I have to say I did love how they looked. Did I need these? No. I like that there's like frames and hearts and flowers, not just all words. I really like that kind of thing when they, you know, make it multi-purposeful for people who, you know, might not like one thing or the other. And then the final items in here are some 12x12 paper packs. Now, did I need these? No. Was I buying the rest of the collection anyway? Yeah. So did I buy them? Yeah. Now, you can take a guess at how much these might be, but I am reading. I'm reading right here how much they were. And I'm honestly not sure how much these retail for. I would say at least $20 for 16 double-sided papers, and Pinkfresh Studio paper is amazing. It is thick. It's got a nice texture to it. So 16 papers, all 12x12, the Everyday Musings collection is first. Sorry for the glare on the reflection. And this was $3.75. So there's all the patterns. Here's the one on the back. So it's this nice, bright, bold, like orangey red. Again, that reflection is whack. Oh, there we go. My light's like right in front of me. So, and then I also got this one, which is the Joyful Day. So again, I've seen some of these collections. I don't own any of them. I didn't get them in grab boxes before, so I was more than happy to give them a try. So you can see them there. Let me try holding it this way maybe. So you can kind of see some of the pattern. Actually, this should be all of them. Yeah, that's all of the papers. And they are double-sided, which I really like, so I don't have to, you know, I have an ugly one. But all of this before shipping was only $25, which if you think about it, is an amazing deal. They really went crazy with their sale for Black Friday because they had this, then they had an additional percentage off the entire store, which I did not participate in, but I'm sure many others did. I think recently they just ran a sale for 50% off their 2018 release for dyes because they just started another release. So if you guys have not checked out Pinkfresh Studio, I'll have them linked down below. And again, that's an affiliate link. They didn't send me these things. I paid for them, but I really love their product. And so far, their company has been really great for grab boxes, for sales, and high quality products so far. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little haul. Definitely more hauls to come. I definitely have some more things in the mail that I'm waiting on, but I hope you guys don't mind. It's been a while since I've done hauls, and although I don't always encourage shopping, again, this is the time of year I tend to shop for scrapbooking supplies because there are great sales. I can get more for my money and then, you know, finally get some of the newer stuff to show you guys in videos. And I do have some newer stuff, but I'm a very frugal person and I don't like paying full prices for things, but I do try to support smaller companies and smaller designers and manufacturers whenever I can. So we got the adhesive, and I just told you guys, I actually just filled in my last roll when I was making that process video last week. So we got 24 more, and again, these are not the best adhesives. Like even right now I can kind of see, let me pull it out. You can kind of see here that even on the like feeder, wait, do they even have, yeah, they don't even have feeders anymore. They used to have feeders on them, which the Scotch ones do as well. So you can kind of see it's just torn on that edge there. So if you don't like messing with things, this is not for you. And then the cheapest other route that I know of is just to buy them at Joann's, Michael's, Hobby Lobby online with like a 60% off coupon, or in person with a better coupon. I mean, it's ridiculous how much adhesive is. I really love my ATG gun. I've had it for years. I remember asking for it and going to get it once I had a coupon. I think I bought it at AC Moore actually, which is kind of crazy because I never loved AC Moore for scrapbooking supplies. Let me know which one of your, let's do a fun comment of the day. Let me know what your favorite chain crafty retailer is and also your favorite small time crafty retailer. So you could pick like Michael's and Pinkfresh Studio, or someone on Etsy, or someone, maybe it's just a designer, maybe they print their stuff, all sorts of options. But I am not feeling well still. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Let me know what you're most excited to see out of this as well. If you really want to see me color this stamp, maybe we could do that during Vlogmas, because like, how cute is that flamingo? I was trying to think of if I could make it Christmassy, like if I made a red flamingo and then green, and I don't know. Maybe I could do it. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And I will see you guys again tomorrow for another day of Vlogmas. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.